This video is about value propositions and how to craft a value proposition that sticks. A value proposition is not just your tagline. It's the core reason why customers choose you over your competition. It needs to clearly communicate what you offer, why that matters, and how you solve a problem better than anyone else. Harvard Business School breaks it down into two key questions. What job is your customer hiring you to do? And how do you solve their pain points better than your competitors? Let's take real fashion brand Boohoo as an example. Their value proposition could be trendy fashion at your fingertips without breaking the bank. It's simple, direct, and addresses two major customer concerns: cost and convenience. Their customers want the full experience to be as cheap and easy as possible. Boohoo offers a wide range of clothing and accessories for both men and women, and they frequently run promotions such as their 60% off everything deal, which directly addresses concerns for budget-conscious shoppers. The online platform allows customers to shop their latest fashion trends at home with the ability to browse through various categories very quickly. The e-commerce experience is meticulously designed to be as easy to use as possible, which aligns perfectly with their value proposition of providing stylish clothing options that are both accessible and budget-friendly. Another approach is slow storytelling, which is a method that brands have been using to connect with socially conscious shoppers post-COVID. Instead of just selling products, they are building a deeper narrative that aligns with values like sustainability and transparency. I would consider my brand to sort of fall in this category. I've been testing out new manufacturers. All of them are ethical, have sustainable labor practices, but I can't go as hard in the transparency as I want right now because not every manufacturer that I order from I end up working with long term. I don't want to film a bunch of content or put a bunch of information on my website about this manufacturer that I'm not even going to use. Anyway, instead of what I'm doing is I'm building this deeper narrative around myself as a founder, a solo founder and entrepreneur running the brand on my own. I'm making art-directed content that tells more of a story. I'm not just focusing on e-commerce related content. I make video content. I outsource video content for editorial video. And I'm, over time, slowly building this world around the brand using slow storytelling. Through this slow storytelling, I communicate to my customers that I'm creating sustainable designer garments for people that create culture, not just consume it. I give clothes to musicians, producers, creative directors, and videographers. I know so many people in LA in various forms of entertainment and media, and those people are my target audience. And the way that I'm reaching those people is by making more art-directed content and sharing my story and not being afraid to get on camera like this and make more videos and connect with more people. I am, in a way, the ultimate brand ambassador. And I really believe that if I can get this right and stay consistent, my customers aren't just going to buy from me and my brand, they're really going to believe in the product and believe in me as a founder. I built a custom GPT that also helps me identify my own value propositions and value propositions for clients and other brands. So I'll make a video about that in the future. Please like and subscribe if you want to see that. Be sure to jump into my free school community. It's only going to be free for the first 100 members. I'll still have a ton of free content available for everybody. But if you want to get some of that extra sauce before everybody else for free, join the school community now, link in the description. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future video, please leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.